Okay. Today we're going to calibrate this pen. Make sure all nice and clean. In here's still moist. Everything looks nice and clean and nothing on it. Okay, we'll put it in some 4.0 reference solution. This is the buffer solution, the calibration solution that I got with the pen. So let's set it in there. Oh, it looks like I need something to set it again. How about like that? Will that work? No. Okay, let's get something else to set this against. Oh. Here. We'll just do it in here. How's that? Right like that. Oh! There we go. Right like that. Okay, that's awesome. This is 4.0. Let's turn it on. Oh geez. We happen to be pretty spot on there. Okie doke. Well, it doesn't look like it needed calibration. That looks pretty dang spiffy. Okay, well, let's go ahead and press the calibrate button till calibrate shows. It'll go through its little sequence. Really? I was reading more on before we did it. Tell you what, let's calibrate again. Well, that's not very nice. Interesting. 3.9 and it should be reading 4.0. So it's reading 0.1 low. Well, I'm not going to stress about it too much. Although I'd really like it to calibrate. I mean, like really a lot. I'd love for it to read 4.0. That would just be swank. Come on, baby. Read 4.0. Does it say error? Oh, it says error. Why does it say error? On the little corner down here, it said error. Hold calibrate. There we go, now you can see it. And look in the lower left, it said error. See? Error, ER. Or maybe that means, hey, go for it, buddy. Crazy. Alright, well, let's check out and see what that means. Let's turn this off. I'll leave it in the reference buffer solution. Before use, to clean, getting started, da 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 da. Calibration and buffer. Okay, was there a difference? That is it. Oh, pardon me. All right, well, let's try. Where's my scissors? Here they are. Let's take it out of this buffer solution then. Throw that away. Oh, where's my towel? Well, here, I'll use this one. This one's got stuff spilt on it anyways. There we go. And let's use this Blue Lab, same stuff, calibration solution. Make sure we're nice and dry. Okay, we are definitely in the solution far enough with the pen. Give a couple little shakes. Still reading 3.9. Calibrate again. See if it makes any difference at all. If it doesn't, if it stays at 3.9, well, we've opened 2 packets. Hopefully there won't be an ER, or maybe ER is there. Yeah, ER Maybe that means, hey buddy, you're calibrated as calibrated can get. Although that would stipulate error to me, although I can't find anything anywhere that stipulates anything. Maybe it's on the calibrating instructions. Place in 7.0 solution. Long press cal tells display to leave probe in solution while display flash. If the calibration is successful, 7.0 will be displayed. Repeat step 1 using either 4.0 or 10.0 solution. So, tell you what, let's start over using 7.0. Let's follow the calibration instructions as per manufacturer's recommendations. How's that? Maybe that's why. There we go. The 4.0 solution is still killer. Let's give us some 7.0 solution to start. I'll put that right inside next to 4.0. Make sure we're clean and dry. Looks very nice and dry in there. Okay. There we go. How's them apples? Now let's go calibrate. There's no ER thing, and it says 7.0 now. Yay! So apparently you can't calibrate this pin with 4.0 first. Apparently you need to calibrate it to the 7.0. Can we even read that here? No, we can't. Wow, okay. Well, it says rinse probe in fresh water, place in 7.0 solution, long press cal until display flashes, leave probe in solution while display is flashing. If calibration is successful, pH 7.07 will be displayed. Repeat steps 1 using either 4.0 or 10.0 solution. So now that we've done this, let's go ahead and repeat steps 1. With a 4.0. And let's see if we get the same reading. Duck it a few times. Long press cal. And no ER. So starting with the 7.0, going to the 4.0, we've got a 2-point calibration. That is exactly beautiful. I got a check mark by pH. We are golden. Okay. So everyone, that's how you calibrate this happy little pin. Let's give us a nice little rinse. And I'm going to go out and pH my reservoir now with this beautifully calibrated Blue Lab pen. Right on. There we go, all done.